Alright, so what up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing the part 2, I think, of practicing Colemak until I master it and type like a guy, like 200 words per minute. I know that my last video was like a year ago or so, but I just took a break because Linux was so hard and I didn't know you could install it on Windows, like the Colemak distribution. Now that I found out, I wanna try out again to see how it is. And I've been practicing for a few days, like how to type and stuff, and I already learned it. I just gotta have to misclaim a lot. And as you can see, I'm pretty good. I just need to get the misclaim memory. And wait a minute, I guess if it isn't for this, then you can't hear me. But where is it? Alright. So, um, we press here. So, as you can see, I'm pretty good at it. I just started right now because I'm doing the video now. But yeah, my laptop key is broken. That's why like every time you see an R, I'm just typing it slowly. So I have to press it hard. But as you can see, I've gotten pretty good. And they also average like 50 words per minute. I also do 60 sometimes, and um, even sometimes like 70. So yeah, let me show you. So look, this is Coleman, right? I got 69. Yeah. So I got 69 in Coleman. Now let's see how much I can get on here. QWERTY. Okay, one. Because the key is broken. Alright, I got 109, you see? So I'm currently learning. I'm not that fast yet as I was on QWERTY. But I'm getting good at it. I'm practicing. I'm also practicing here on Colemak Academy. As you can see, I've gotten pretty good. And you know what they say, practice makes perfect. So I'm just doing it like 30 minutes a day or so. And I get often pretty consistently too. And as you can see, well, yeah, that's my progression for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and or subscribe if you like my content. And we'll see you in the next